Hello everyone, welcome to Babylon Leather official channel. Let us make this tote bucket bag today.
Fantastic.
This is the magnetic clasp. This is the front side, which it can be sucked. This is the back side. We can use this to distinguish the front and back of other materials. Find the side piece and leather strip. Use the 3x thread of this sewn part length. Pass the thread through the needle eye. Then pull out a section. Let the needle point to pierce the thread. Thread the other needle in the same way. Thread the other needle in the same way. The leather strap should be sewn on the front of the side piece. The leather strip is not divided into front and back. Then we start sewing, letting the needle pass from bottom to top. Then let the needle pass through the pinhole on the leather strip. Let the second needle pass through the next pinhole. Pull two threads, keep them in the same length. Let the needle from the first pinhole pass through the second pinhole. After sewing up each stitch, pull it tight. Now we can keep sewing. Sew up the whole circle in this way. Now we end the stitching. How to end the stitching? Firstly, make one back stitch like this to reinforce it. Now let both needles on the bottom side. Cut the thread leaving a 2 mm end. Then use a lighter to burn the thread end. Press it. Now we successfully end the stitching. Then get the other side piece. Combine the small leather material and 2 square buckle hardware like this. Small materials are not divided into front and back. Use the thread 3x the length of the sewn part. Remove the thread from the needle eye like this. Then rethread it. Align the pinholes on the front of the side piece. Sew up the whole circle, then end the stitching like just now. Get the big body piece into magnetic. Let the big body pieces bottom side up. Sew one side firstly. Use 3x thread of the sewn part. Thread the needles. Start sewing from the bottom of big body piece. Sew the big body piece separately on the first stitch. Sew the small material together on the second stitch. Pull 2 threads tight at the same time. Keep them at the same length. Let the needle from the first pinhole pass through the second pinhole. Keep sewing. The direction should be consistent of swing the thread. Sew up the other side in the same way. Let's take a look at the sewn up effect. Then end the stitching. Get the handle and put it like this. Use the 4 times thread of this sewn part length. You can use more. Fix it with a clip. Start sewing from the bottom side, in this way. Pull 2 threads tight at the same time. Keep 2 threads in the same length. Let the needle on the right pass through the first pinhole on the left. Let the needle on the left pass through the first pinhole on the right. Let the needle on the right pass through the second pinhole on the left. Then let the needle on the left pass through the second pinhole on the right. Let the needle pass through the parallel hole position on the other side. Then keep sewing. Finally, let the needles both on the bottom side end the stitching. Sew up the other handle in the same way. Get the bottom pad and big body piece. Let the big body pieces back side up. The bottom pad is not divided into front and back. Install all 4 studs in this way. Let's take a look at the installed effect. This is the exterior of the bag. This is the inside of the bag. Now let's sew the bag's side pieces. Use 5 times the thread of the sewn part length, then thread the needles. Let the big body pieces front side up. Let the oiled side leather side of the handle facing us. Let the side pieces back side up. Start from the handle's last pinhole with thread. Pull 2 threads tight at the same time. Keep them at the same length. Let the needle pass through this big body piece's pinhole. Be careful not to sew on the wrong pinhole. Then let the needle pass through this pinhole on the handle. Then sew the side piece. Make sure the side piece is back side up. Then let the needle pass through this pinhole from top to bottom. The thread is long, and there are many layers to sew together. We should be patient. Pull the thread tight. Keep two threads in the same length. Then get another needle sewing back again. Pay attention not to pierce the thread. Keep sewing in this way. The direction should be consistent of swing the thread. Pull the thread tight after each stitch. We can sew 5 layers one by one, without missing any pinhole. Let's take a look at the sewn-up effect. Let the needle pass through the 5 layers together from here. It is easier now. The first few stitches will be more difficult, then will be much easier to sew. The pinholes that were sewn before should also be sewn again. After the big body piece sewn up, we should also sew the handle for 1 stitch. Finally, make 1 backstitch to reinforce. Let the needles on the side. This side is sewn up now. Sew up the other side in the same way. Let's take a look at the sewn-up effect. This is the inside of the bag. Next, turn the bag over like this. Then organize the shape of the bag. The bag is sewn up. Now we put on the shoulder strap. This wonderful bag is completed. Well, thanks for choosing Babylon Leather. Thanks for watching.